Magandang hapon po ng June 12, 2025 Thursday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng June 12, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, June 12, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for June 12, 2025, Thursday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, June 12, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for June 12, 2025, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.